Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by mapping the NEET Physics syllabus to priority topics. Focus on high-weight chapters first so your notes pay back time invested. Once done, create a single-page template. Top for formulas, left column for definitions, right column for quick examples. Make sure to include units and constants. They prevent careless errors. You are already reducing cognitive load by committing structure. Now move quickly to extract only essential formulas and one-line conceptual links for each topic. You now translate full solutions into visual shorthand so revision is fast. For derivations, write assumption, main transform, and final expression. This preserves logic without verbosity. Once done, use small tables for similar formulas and arrows to show cause-effect. It helps recall under pressure. Make sure each formula has a micro-example with numbers and units so you can test it mentally. By organizing like this, you turn pages into mental checklists rather than long reads. You finish by refining and locking in what works. Review notes weekly and prune anything redundant so every line earns its place. Once done, compile a one-page rapid review sheet for the final days before an exam. This becomes your go-to during panic. Make sure to test yourself on micro-examples and mark weak spots in red. If a concept keeps failing, rewrite that section step by step and practice a fresh example until the mistake vanishes. That's the fastest fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.